Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about lions. The lion is a large, powerful cat known for its strength and majestic appearance. Males have a mane of hair around their heads, while females do not. They live in groups called prides and are mostly found in the grasslands of Africa. Lions are carnivores, hunting animals like zebras and antelopes. They are also famous for their loud roars. Habitat. Lions usually live in savannas and grasslands in Africa. Appearance. They have a tawny coat, with male lions having a distinctive mane that varies in color. Social structure. Lions are social animals and live in groups called prides, which usually consist of related females, their cubs, and a few males. Diet. They are carnivores and primarily hunt large animals like zebras and antelopes. Behavior. Lions are known for their roar, which can be heard up to 5 miles away. They are also known to rest and sleep for up to 20 hours a day. Conservation. Lions are considered vulnerable due to habitat loss and conflicts with humans. Conservation efforts are in place to protect them. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Please subscribe.